We are given 2y equals cot inverse of root 3 cos x plus sin x by cos x minus root 3 sin x and whole of this whole square. X is lying between 0 and pi by 2. Then what is dy by dx? Right. We have y in terms of cot inverse of something. Cot inverse of a big expression, right? We should not directly attempt to differentiate this. Rather, what should we do? Let us try to simplify this whatever there within cot inverse. So that if we try to convert this in terms of cot inverse of cot something, this will be massively simplified, right? So we can see root 3 here, cos x and sin x. Obviously, let us try to convert this numerator into cos of something and try to convert this denominator to sine of something. Okay, so that the numerator and denominator together, they will become cot of something. Okay, let us try to do something. Root 3 cos x plus sin x. Okay, let us multiply and divide both of this with 2. Okay, root 3 and 1 by 2. Okay, and we want this in terms of cos a plus b. Cos a plus b or cos a minus b, whatever. So, what we can do, root 3 by 2. This is cos 30 degrees cos x plus sin 30 degrees sin x, right? Or sin pi by 6 sin x. So, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That is cos a minus b or pi by 6 minus x. This is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is cos a minus x. Now can we convert this denominator also in terms of sin 30 minus x or sin pi by 6 minus x? Yes, we can. What we will do? Again, let us multiply this denominator also with 2 and divide it by 2. So basically this becomes 2 into 1 by 2 cos x minus root 3 by 2 sin x. Right. We want this in terms of sine pi by 6 minus x. This is already converted, right? Sine 30 cos x minus cos 30 sine x. Right. This becomes 2 times this entire thing. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b, which is nothing but sine 30 minus x. Right. So this entire thing has become 2 times cos 30 minus x by 2 times sine 30 minus x, which is nothing but cot inverse of cot 30 minus x, that is nothing but pi by 6 minus x, right? And whole of this whole square, right? Now, is it cot inverse of cot pi by 6? Can we directly write as pi by 6 minus x? Right, cot inverse should lie between the value of cot inverse, the result would be between 0 and pi. As long as this is between 0 and pi, we could write it cot inverse of cot pi by 6 minus x is equal to pi by 6 minus x. But here the problem is x is between 0 to pi by 2. X is between 0 to pi by 2. And what happens to pi by 6 minus x? When x crosses pi by 6, right, this pi by 6 minus x is negative when x is greater than pi by 6, right, and when x is less than pi by 6, it is positive. So as long as x is between 0 to pi by 6, it is equal to this is safe, right? Cot inverse of cot pi by 6 minus x is equal to pi by 6 minus x. But once it crosses pi by 6, it is no longer pi by 6 minus x. Because, for example, because this becomes negative. For example, cot of minus 45 degrees is cot inverse of cot minus 45 degrees is not equal to minus 45 degrees, right? It should be equal to 135 degrees, right? So, for example, cot inverse of, uh, let's say, for example, this one, cot inverse of minus 1 is not minus pi by 4. It's actually, we should go here and find this one. This is actually what? 3 pi by 4, right? 135 degrees here. Here it is minus 45 degrees. So cot inverse is between 0 and pi. So cot inverse of minus 1, we cannot call it is minus 45 degrees, right? So cot inverse of, so whenever cot inverse of some negative number that we are getting, so um, we have to correspondingly see what is it between 0 and pi, right? So for example, when x is 75 degrees, pi by 6 minus x is becomes minus 45 degrees. So, but x can lie between 0 and pi by 2, right? So cot inverse should always lie between 0 and pi, right? So cot inverse of cot pi by 6 minus x is equal to pi by 6 minus x as long as x is between 0 and pi by 6. Otherwise, it is pi plus pi by 6 minus x. Right. Now, what is our 2y? 2y equals to this square. Right. Cot inverse of this thing is pi minus pi by 6 minus x whole square, or pi plus pi by 6 minus x whole square. Right. Now, we can directly differentiate. 2 dy by dx is equal to 2 into pi by 6 minus x into minus 1, because there is minus x. Right. Now, what does that mean? This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Dy by dx is equal to this, there is minus, right? So x minus pi by 6 or x minus 7 pi by 6. Here x minus pi by 6 is given, x minus 7 by pi by 6 is not given. Basically, they have taken only this part. They did not worry about the other part when x is lying between pi by 6 and pi by 2. So what is the correct answer? X minus pi by 6. So this has become a very simple problem once we are able to convert this entire expression to cot, that is cos a plus b, or cos pi by 6 minus x by sin pi by 6 minus x. After that, it is pretty straightforward, right guys? But please notice, when we are dealing with inverse functions, cot inverse of cot something is not always the same thing. It depends on whether that something is lying between 0 to pi or not, right guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.